So you've decided to get new windows and have recently entered into the consultation phase, only to find yourself confronted by contractor after contractor demanding that all homeowners be present during the consultation. Well, I'm going to put your mind at ease by breaking down all the myths and all the scams that contractors use during the consultation. And by the end of this video, I'll tell you the real reason you want to have all homeowners present during your consultation. Hi, I'm Ryan Houchin and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. You know, nothing is worse when you just want a price or an answer to a question and a salesperson or a consultant insists on talking to you and your entire family first. Trying to carve out the time in your day to meet with a home remodeling contractor, it can cause unnecessary stress. And when a contractor asks that your partner join you as well, you might be wondering why. Well, I wanted to answer that question by breaking down all the myths behind the two-party consultation. And by the end of this video, you'll see there actually are benefits in having all parties present at your next consultation. So let's start with the myths that might be bothering you right now. Now, the most common misconception with having all homeowners present at the consultation is that the contractor is just looking for the sale. That leaves you, the homeowner, feeling like you just got dropped right into the middle of a high-pressure sales meeting. You know, that's a situation nobody wants to find themselves in. Now, this leads us right into the first myth. Aren't you just trying to take my money? Whether you've experienced it firsthand or if you have only heard the rumors, you may be familiar with the idea that contractors only want all homeowners present as an incentive to give you a discount on your project and make a sale that day. This can be true. There are many contractors out there that will say, hey, it's not required that your partner is with you during your consultation. But if they are, we'll offer you a discounted price on your overall project. Now, when a contractor offers this to you, it's a clear sign that their goal is to just make the sale. They're not there to help you make the best decision for you and your home. Myth number 2, am I not capable enough to make this decision without my partner? If you are an independent person who constantly makes decisions on your own, having a contractor ask that your partner be present with you may come off as offensive. Now, this is not the case at all. While it may be true that some contractors want to bribe you with a discount to have all parties present, there's no reason a contractor should be discriminatory to one party and believe they cannot make the decision themselves. The truth is that when only 1 out of 2 or sometimes 3 parties is present, the other parties will not receive the same amount of information as the one who is there for the consultation. That's where we get into the benefits of having all parties present at your consultation. Now, when everyone is present at a consultation, this allows the opportunity for all parties to establish their wants, their goals, and their needs. As a homeowner, you need to establish what exactly you are looking for and what you want to get out of a project. All parties must establish their wants, their goals, their needs for the right decision to be made. Now, when all parties are present during the consultation, it allows each to outline what they like, what they don't like, what's important to them, and what their fears are. All parties get an equal chance to ask questions. If only one party of the home gets to directly ask the contractor their questions, how will the other one get the answers? Even if your partner tries to relay all of that information to you, they're not able to answer your questions. Asking questions is an important aspect of a consultation to ensure you know what you are getting into and will help you choose the right contractor. Hopefully now, with these myths debunked, you'll be able to weed out the contractors who are just looking for the sale, and you can find the one that truly wants to put your interests ahead of their own. Thank you so much for dropping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.